Hi Lisa babes, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. So as you see in today's title, we are going to be doing a college night routine, very realistic. Maybe I'll title this like my cozy fall night routine, because yeah. So we will get into this video. Please give it a like, comment, subscribe, and notifications, because we're opening on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And with that, let's get into my night routine. So the first thing I'm gonna do is make some dinner. I'm not hungry. I actually don't feel good, honestly, but I'm gonna make some tacos because I've been craving some tacos. I'm making shrimp tacos. The only tacos that I eat right now are shrimp tacos. And then I need to do some laundry, do some homework. And that's really about it. I think I'm gonna do a face mask. Do a face mask, you know, do like a little pampering thing tonight. Get my skin rejuvenated, and that's basically it. So I'm gonna talk to y'all not talk to y'all, but we're about to head into the montage portion of me doing my dinner. Shrimp tacos. I'd only do cheese, rice, and sour cream. Argue with your mama if you do anything different and call me basic, because argue with your mama, I don't really care. But yeah, that's what I do for my tacos. Two basic things. I'm gonna get started, watch some YouTube, and watch some Gilmore Girls, get started, and talk to y'all when my tacos are done. So hopefully y'all can hear me because I got the fan blowing, but leave the shrimp in the cold water for like 10 to 15 minutes. And then by 15 minutes, your shrimp should be unthawed, and then you just season and cook to your liking. I have my water boiling for my rice there. Okay, me personally, I don't even know how to make rice. Like, I made it before, and every time I've made it, it didn't turn out right. So now I use Uncle Ben's, but it's like Uncle Ben's already made, already done. That's what I use, because I don't know how to use nothing else. Like, I haven't mastered making rice yet by myself. I'm gonna hit my water boil. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna wait 15 minutes to let my shrimp unthaw, and it continues to make my taco. I also gotta make the grate the cheese. I have shredded cheese. Me personally, I don't want to use it because it'll sit in the fridge for a while. Not saying that's expired, but I'm real picky about my food, so we're not gonna do that. We're just going to grate some cheese myself, and it takes like 2 seconds. y'all, my tacos are done. Just some simple shrimp tacos with cheese, rice, and sour cream. I'm about to eat these and watch Gilmore Girls, and then it'll be time to do my homework and do laundry, and then I want something sweet to eat tonight, maybe, so I might do some cookies or make a pie. I don't really know, but I'm about to eat this food. I'm gonna talk to you guys when I'm finished.
Poor me, dad was gone. Finally got my dad back. Liver bad, he wouldn't live long. And snatched my dad back. Guidance I never had that. Streets was my second home. Welcomed me with open arms. Provided a place to crash at. A place to study math at. Matter of fact, I learned it all. Burnt it all. This music is where I buried the ashes at. Flashback, not having much, not having that. Had to get some holler bread so you can holler back at. Hollered at my Jewish lawyer to enjoy the fruit of it in my cash stack. And just in case a nigga got to use his rat-tat-tat-tat-tat. Own boss, own your masters, slaves, the mentality I carry with me to this very day. Fuck rich, let's get wealthy. Who else gon' feed weed? If I need it, I'ma get it. However, God help me. And I don't need no hook for this shit. I'm so for sure, it's no facade.
Alright y'all, so now I'm about to do my homework. I have Alex, which is my math, and then I have brunch homework, but it's due tomorrow. Brunch I might do tomorrow or tonight, depending on if I can get finished with it or if I feel like it. But really, I need to do my math. Oh wait, my homework is due Thursday, but I'm gonna get started on it now. And then my French is due Wednesday. I'm in pre-calc and we're doing these proofs. I literally hate proofs so much, like with a passion, but I'm gonna get it done because I want to get an A in this class, and I'm almost there. I'm like 4% away from an A, so I'm gonna do these proofs even though I don't feel like it at all. But
push these niggas off me like, push these bitches off me like, push these niggas off me like, pushing the snakes, I'm pushing the fakes, I'm pushing them all off me like, pushing them all off me like, yeah. I be immune to shit, tucking the broom and shit, done with the soul and shit. Know you a joke, my ass at the clothes, I holla at the moon and shit. Know the results, the ballot is in, man, I'm about to boom again. You funny, dog. Peekaboo, can't hide behind your money, dog. A week or two, I meditate on running lost. Swerve, 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 shake the currents off. Yeah. Push these niggas off me like, push these bitches off me like, push these niggas off me like, pushing the snakes, I'm pushing the fakes, I'm pushing them all off me like, pushing them all off me like, yeah. Head up, stressed out, silence, I'm stressed out, be quiet, I'm stressed out, stressed out, stressed out, stressed. Pick my daughter up, she need all the love, I need all the love, I mean all of us. It's like 6 o'clock, bitch you talk too much, you making it awkward love, I mean it's hard enough, I mean
they don't fuck with me even if they could. Pull out the stick, hit the bitch with the wood. First part roll with break in the hood. Don't worry about us over here, we good. The AP Roman numeral, everybody go and need pharmaceuticals. I ran my whole conglomerate, I was just mapping shit out in the cubicle. Suicide coolers a funeral. Track hard lines like a slingshot. Big ol' ruby diamond on my pinky finger, that bitch look like a mini pop. When it on my mind, when it on your head, ain't ride 3 times when you coming through the head. Red Cross keep a nigga fed, in the studio with K-Dot, fresh out the fed. Yeah, you niggas can't stand the rain, you niggas don't stand a chance. Yeah, shit be like candy paint, I spend the bin in the bands. I call the big off of Google out, I'm the type to put my shooter well. I had to survive opportunity pack. 5% tint on the wood, like who's that? Cool take off like it's mad. Beat the dope with a fork, I'm whipping up super fat. I'm doing scans in the lab. Every Thursday, girls, they spend the time with my daughter, make me go harder. Every Sunday, teach my boy to be a man. I ain't had no Been in love with the block, ain't had no pop. Sawed off shotgun Marvin. Stacking them on the proper. All them diamonds look like Marvin.
Oh, yeah. If I had you back, I wouldn't have did all that. I would've played it just how you wanted to play it. You didn't yet see my worth, so you tried to play me. But I was so in love, that I just got a little bit too complicated. But if I had you back, all I wanna do is fuck, get drunk, take drugs. All I wanna do is fuck, get drunk, okay. All I said would be no love, you, it would be no love, you. If I did it all again, I would give like 10%. You deserve like half of that. I'ma need my money back. I'm riding through your hood, it piss me off again.
Alright y'all, I'm in the bathroom. I pinned up my hair really quickly, and then I'm about to put on a little face mask. I got this gold face mask from CVS. I'm gonna show y'all. So I got this gold face mask from CVS. I'm gonna put it on and see what we're looking like. It's pretty. God, this is literally so slimy. I cannot figure it out.
Final, I was wasting my time. Wouldn't have wasted my time. But all this shoulda, coulda, woulda. I met her at one time. Trying to tell her I run. She heard it all. I know she heard it all. Girl, I could change your life.
Okay, so I keep this on for about 15 minutes.
You heard it. You heard it all. I'm from the city.
I'm gonna let this dry, and I'll come back after 15 minutes.
You ain't got love to love. You ain't got love to fuck, girl. I'm just trying to say I'm from the city.
Alright y'all, I put the cookies in the oven for about 12 minutes. I don't remember how long they were supposed to be in there for. I threw away the package on accident. I let them bake. My clothes are done out the dryer, but I'm not going out like this. Okay, so this is done at 9:30. Go down and get my laundry, and then eat my cookies and be ready for bed.
They go. They was looking for something. She loves you. Oh. Yeah, you know.
Alright y'all, the mask is off. Skin. It's the same. I bought some pimple patches, so I'm gonna also put those on. But now I'm up to go down and get my laundry really quickly and then come back upstairs and take that away. But I'm probably gonna put the pimple patches on now so I can get that done and out of the way. But yeah. Alright y'all. Eating my cookies. 10 out of 10. Put the pimple patches on my face. And I'm gonna drink my milk. Hope you guys did enjoy it, and I'll see you all in the next video.